Recovery efforts continue in 5 states left with a trail of destruction after a cluster of tornadoes Friday night.
More than 100 people are feared dead in Kentucky. There are 64 deaths confirmed. Dozens are still unaccounted for, and 12 deaths have been confirmed in 7 other states.
CBS News Laura Podesta has more on the search for survivors in Mayfield, Kentucky.
Chris and Mary, the cleanup is just beginning. We're hearing the roar of a chainsaw every few minutes. This entire neighborhood was leveled. The family that lives in this home, all 4 of them survived by retreating to the basement. Unfortunately, though, we have just learned that one of the victims in this community, a 3-year-old boy. There are more stories of survival and devastating loss from the candle factory in western Kentucky, leveled by a powerful tornado. It was filled with employees, including Autumn Kirks, who was working the Friday night shift alongside her boyfriend. He didn't make it out alive.
They said take cover, and I could still see him when they yelled take cover. And I don't know what happened, how I got out and he didn't.
That tornado was one of several that ripped through the Midwest over the weekend, killing dozens. Kentucky was hardest hit.
Our state was hit by at least 4 tornadoes. One stayed on the ground in Kentucky for at least 200 miles, devastating anything in its path. Our best count for confirmed deaths are 64 Kentuckians.
In the town of Mayfield, twisted sheet metal, downed power lines, and wrecked cars line the streets. Windows are blown out and roofs torn off buildings.
It's just upsetting, to know that that's the town that you grew up in and everything, his memories is all gone.
This entire neighborhood in Mayfield is a shell of what it once was. Residents have pulled out belongings that could be saved, but there are no homes for them to go back to. About an hour northeast in Hopkins County, a tornado derailed a freight train, scattering dozens of cars. Homes and businesses in the area are demolished.
It's just like a nuclear bomb went off.
Across Kentucky, tens of thousands of people are without power. Mayfield officials are warning residents who didn't lose their homes that they could be without heat, water, and electricity for a long time. Kentucky's governor estimates 1,000 homes were destroyed or severely damaged. I do want to mention we have seen several Good Samaritans bringing food and other resources and volunteering themselves to come here and help people clean up. Reporting in Mayfield, Laura Podesta, CBS 2 News.
Well, if you want to help survivors in Kentucky recover from this tragedy, we have information on CBSNewYork.com. Just go to the links and numbers section.